backyard because my mom and my little brother discovered this barn owl. And I had to take it down with his stick so slowly, and I put it down there. It took like 2 hours to do it. And then when I got so hungry, I had to eat so much food and so much water. I had to drink, and now Slok is trying to give it water, and it feels so good. Wow, feels so good. Wow. Oh, Slok. Wow, it has big eyes. Barn owls, when I took it down, it didn't want to go in the sun. That means it goes in the night. And it just flew away. Good thing I touched it.
Yeah, where is it?
Okay,
where is it? Oh, here.
Oh, there it is. It likes the shade mostly.
Yeah.
You going to make it.
Here.
Oh my. Boo! A big boo! Bye. Oh, okay, नहीं जा नहीं दे तक दे
अच्छे बंधु चंदू
हम तक नीचे नहीं गली बहुत हेवी है
पानी पिए
can carry so heavy so heavy mama पियो
नहीं
धरी दा up to head ऊपर huh now that barn owl came to this tree. We're over there. Maybe it used the trees for shade.
Where he is?
He's way back here. I think you can reach him, Mama.
No,
I can't even reach. He needs to be taller. Wait. Hey, Slok. He's getting crazy long sticks. That's going to hurt the owls. Like little and very heavy. More. She's a dangerous stick there. तू touch करिबो? तू touch करिबो? दीदी touch करला तू touch करिबो? एबे इधर के पानी से पुप्पू करूची
तू ताको डरे देलुन तो से पोसे टाइ करछ